Here's 35 Cabo Yachts, WREN 3. She's a 1994 35 Flybridge. She was repowered with a Cummins QSB 5.9 380 horsepower motors. The boat has under 1,000 hours on the new motors now. Nibro propellers, Nibro 4-blade propellers here. It's got Aquamet 19 prop shafts. Here's the transom. The boat's in reasonably good shape. Got a shade cover for the back of the boat here, and there's the Flybridge up there. It's got 4G radar. It has 2 VHF radios in the Flybridge, and it has another one in the salon. The older boats pre-2000, the windows open. It has slide windows in the salon that open up. All stainless West Coast rails. All the stainless is in really good shape. Oh, I'm not going to get around this side of the boat. Got her pulled up pretty tight here. But you get an idea, the hull, the bottom, all in excellent condition. She's a fishing machine. I can say that for sure.